cover. You can see that it actually came off here. This is where the PCV valve goes, and this fell off. It's supposed to go here. Came out, broke. It's making tons of noise in the engine. Had me worried. It made a lot of noise, but pretty happy with the way it came out now. Got the lining back from the engine repair. Pretty happy with it. Runs good, nice and quiet again.